A-levels, they're pretty hard exams, and recently I sat my A-level chemistry mock, so come along on the journey of me revising for my A-level chemistry mock exam. The day started off at 7:30, pretty early, but I had a lot of work to do, so I thought why not just try and get it done by like 4 or 5, and that does mean sacrificing a little bit of sleep. My first revision session was at 9:30. I wanted to try and use my laptop as much as possible because I recently got a new one, so why not? I like to study in 1 hour blocks, not 10-hour blocks. That was a mistake on my part. I just find it helps me focus a lot more. Usually, if I need to do a lot of work, I'll study maybe 2 hours at once. But because I was trying to like split my day up, I had the full day. I thought I'll just do 1 hour at a time. I started off by doing some past paper questions. My teacher gave me these. It was like a big massive booklet, so I thought I'll just try and work through some of these, see where I need to work on, what I'm good at. Yeah. Now I took an early lunch break. My mom made soup and it was just so nice. It was exactly what I needed after a long study session. I switched to revising on my bed because it's absolutely freezing. Like there's a storm going on outside and I really do need my portable heater. I want to talk a little bit about how I'm feeling for my chemistry exam tomorrow. I'll be completely honest. I don't feel like my school attendance has been that great this year. It's actually been much better now, touch wood, but way back in like September, October, November, I had missed quite a few days of school with interview prep, my BMAT, my UCAT. There was also a time when I thought I had COVID because people around me were testing, so I had to go home because of that. Now, it's taken me time to get caught up, and I feel like for this exam, I have a sufficient knowledge base for me to go off of, and I think that I can pass it. Like, I think I'll definitely pass it. I just want to make sure I like get the grade I'm hoping for, and that no matter what, it's reflective of my true ability and the amount of work I've put in. So far today, I have done my past papers. I went back over some of the papers that my teacher gave me, and then some I printed off myself. That's what I was literally doing right now. I've just got papers here and I was using those. To be honest now, I think that yes, there are a few topics that I find tricky, and if questions on those topics do come up tomorrow, I'm just going to try my best to answer them. And then anything I don't understand, I mean, we'll obviously go through it in class later on. I really want to make a video on pressure, not force over area. Oh, that was such a crap joke. I mean like pressure that students put on themselves, you know, whether it's from your family, whether it's from your school, or you even like trying to get into uni. All of that is pressure. So I think that's why I was feeling really anxious. I think that was like the source of my anxiety a few days ago. It was just the amount of pressure I put on myself. That's why I haven't done too much today. I just want to take it slow, take it easy, try and get a good night's sleep before my exam tomorrow morning. I think to finish off today, I'm just going to read over some of the topics. I feel like I'm okay with lattice enthalpy. I'm fine with entropy. Rates, I know how to do the calculations. It's just I want to go over the practicals one more time. Equilibrium, I know how to do or calculate Kc. I know what affects Kc. Acids, bases, aldehydes, ketones, and isomers. For carboxylic acids and esters, I think that part is okay. I have managed to cover it in sufficient detail for tomorrow. So overall, not too much work. Okay, I'm gonna get working. I decided to crack on with some more revision. I went on to Quizlet and I've actually like pre-made a definition set for me to revise from. So that's exactly what I went through. I thought, you know what? I might as well try and learn some of these definitions because there are a lot for this particular unit. And then I just went over some of the organic structures and practicals again. What I did was I tested myself using the flashcards. Some of you have asked me whether I use Anki. The answer to that is no, because I don't know how to use it. However, one of my friends uses it and she says she loves it. So maybe I will try and like transfer over some of this stuff to Anki if I have time. But anyways, I just want to use what I have. I decided to try and get like an early night's sleep, although I probably wouldn't sleep until like 11 anyway on a normal day. Usually before I go to bed, I do try to like massage my face or do some sort of like facial yoga. I'm not sure if there's many benefits to that, but it just feels so nice, especially because, you know, you're sitting down for such a long time and revising. I just find it really like helps loosen some of that tension. Okay, so I guess that's the end of this study vlog. If you want to see how I got on in my chemistry exam, my maths exam, my biology exam, there will be a link below to the, I suppose, continuing second episode, if you like, of this mock exam series. And thank you so much for watching. If you have mock exams coming up, I wish you all the best. Thank you for watching, and yeah, good night. So now it was finally exam day. My exam went okay. If you want to see exactly how I did in my exam and my feelings, there will be a new video coming out next week on that. I got the most amazing sourdough, you know, poached egg situation. Oh, it was so good. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Stay safe, and I will see you for the next one. Bye!